Adding links to outside materials is very easy to do in a Schoology course. Begin at the Add Materials drop-down menu, or locate the place in your course where you would like to add your link and click on the green dashed line. This will give you the same drop-down menu. Go to Add File, Link, or External Tool, and then choose Link. And then you are going to add the URL or embed code for the resource that you would like to link. You can go to a website and copy that link, go back, paste it in, whoops, and then you can hit this icon here to pull the title for the link. It doesn't work on every single thing, but a lot of times it does. Not so much on this one, it looks like. So I'm going to go back and copy the title of the article as well. Sometimes when there are punctuation, it will not work out very well. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. And then you have a couple of options down here. One of them is whether you want to display this article inside of Schoology, or you want to open up a new tab and have people go to the web to see the link. So I'm going to turn this off. It will allow this article to be displayed in a new window. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add. This will add this here. You can add any type of outside link using this same method. If you are going to bring something from your Google Drive, you do want to make sure that the permissions are set so that anyone at OSD staff can, with the link, can view. I'm going to copy this link. If you do not make that change, your viewers will come into the private, not able to view this, ask for permission. Paste this in here. I'm going to pull the title. Again, a lot of times you don't get the full title, so you might need to type it in. And you can always replace the pulled title with something of your choosing as well. You can choose to display it in Schoology, or you can turn that off. Whichever you choose, you always want to check it and see if it's going to show the way you would like it to. If you need to edit something, all you do is go to the gear on the right and choose Edit. If you'd like to delete it, you can delete it from there as well.